Yesterday only we were discussing this question. Okay. So for finding x square plus 1 by x square, we realize that we can see that x plus 1 by x whole square is equals to x square plus just 2, because 2ab will be just 2, plus 1 by x square. That means x square plus 1 by x square we will get once we will do the squaring of x plus 1 by x, and if we will subtract 2 from that, then we will get. Okay. Now x is given, but we don't want to take this square root term in the denominator, because after that taking LCM and all, it will be really difficult. So what we did the rationalization of this x. Okay. But here at first we found that what will be 1 by x. So we realize that 1 by x will be nothing but just the reciprocal of this one. Numerator will become denominator and denominator will become numerator. Okay. This is 1 by x. Okay. We know x, we know 1 by x. 1 by x so far looks good, because in denominator only 2 is there. If we have to take LCM, we'll be able to take. But x doesn't look good. Okay. So what we can do with x, we can do the rationalization, which I said to you yesterday also. We can do rationalization for this 3 minus root 3. Okay. So 3 plus root 3 and 3 plus root 3. Okay. It will become 2, 3 plus root 3. See, this is something we are doing with x. If I am doing over here and it is creating confusion, let me do it separately. Our x is 2 by 3 minus root 3. We are trying to rationalize and get a equivalent fraction. Okay, so we'll be having 3 plus root 3 over 3 plus root 3. We'll be having 3 2 times 6 plus 2 root 3, or you can keep 2 outside. Who knows, later on we'll be able to cancel 2. So 2 I'm keeping just like this, and 3 plus root 3. And in denominator, 3 square minus root 3 square. 3 square is 9 and root 3 square is just 3. Oh yeah, we are able to cancel out this 2. Okay. This is what we are having in the numerator, and in the denominator we are having 6. It became just this one. Our x is this one. Our 1 by x already we are sorted. Okay. 3 minus root 3 by 2. By 2 is there, completely fine. Okay, we will not do rationalization or anything over here. It is not required over here. Basically, rationalization means removing root from the denominator. Now we'll be using this formula for finding x square plus 1 by x square. So x is 3 plus root 3 by 3 plus 1 by x is 3 minus root 3 by 2, and we are not having just x plus 1 by x. We are having the square of that and then minus 2, and that will only give x square plus 1 by x square. Okay. Now we need to do little bit of simplification over here. So what we will be doing it, 3 2 times LCM will be 6 over here. We will be having 6 plus 2 root 3. Are you getting it? We are multiplying 2 over here. Okay. And on the other part, we'll be multiplying 3. So it will become 9 minus 3 root 3. That's the square we are having, and minus 2 we are having. Now 6 plus 9, 15, and 2 root 3 minus 3 root 3. If you know, it will be minus root 3. Just like 2x minus 3x will be minus x. Similarly, 2 root 3 minus 3 root 3 will be minus root 3. Okay. By 6 square minus 2. We will be having over here. See, now we have to do squaring of this one. Let's do squaring. Let's see what are we getting. Till here we have done yesterday in our class. From here we were supposed to do. I left this part for Sarah. Let's see what are we going to get. Okay. So whenever a by b is having a power, the exponent rule says that distribute the power to a also and to b also. Okay, so we will be having 15 minus root 3 whole square and 6 square minus 2 as it is. Then we will be having a minus b whole square is there, so a square minus 2ab, okay, plus b square. However, whatever simplification we will do here, that much of like calculation will not be possible. You can see still we will be left with root part in the numerator. That is completely fine. Okay, this is what we'll be having. 15 square is 225 minus 30 root 3 plus just 3 by 36 minus 2. Okay, we are just doing the simplification over here. 225 plus 3, 225, 26, 27, 28, 220 minus 30 root 3 by 36. If possible, take out common factor from the numerator, so that this big number we can just, at least we can reduce it. If we can't do anything, we can reduce the number by taking the common factor. So we will be taking the common factor from the numerator. Now what is that number which can be taken out as a common factor from the numerator? Please tell me. Such a number which can divide 228 and 30 also. 2 or maybe more than that, any number. Because 30 is divisible 3 by 6. This 228 is divisible by 6. No.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. That means we can take 6, right? Right? This 30 is divisible by 2. This 30 is divisible by 3. This 30 is divisible by 5. This 30 is divisible by 6 also. And 15 also. And 10 also. But if we have to take common from both, then we can see that 2 we can take, or maybe 3 we can take, but 5 no, because 228 is not divisible by 5. 15 we cannot take because 15 table doesn't contain 228. 10 we cannot take, so we are left with 2, 3, 6. So 6 will be taking, right? You have checked, right? It is divisible by 6, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Let me. Yes, it is divisible. 6 3 times 18. Okay, 18, then 4 we are having in hand, 48 we are getting, 6 5 times 30, 6 times 36, 6 7 times 42, 6 8 times 48, 6 5 times 30. This is what we are getting, and in denominator 36 we are having 6 sixteenths. Okay, now at least we are having a number. Still it is big, this 38, but we cannot do that much. 5 root 3 by 6, and still we have to subtract this 2 from here. Let's do the subtraction. We'll be having 38, we'll be having 5 root 3. Now we will take 6 as a LCM. Can you tell me what will be here? LCM I have taken. If you are getting confused all of a sudden what I did, LCM I have taken. Can you tell me what will be there in the box?
I'm 12
Yes.
minus 12.
Perfect. So 38 minus 12, 6. Okay. And 3 minus 1. Just 26. Okay. 5 root 3 by 6. This is our final answer. Okay. Now we cannot take anything common. If we will take nothing. Okay. This is our final answer. Sarah, getting it?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, yesterday we have done till here. Okay. Now the simplification also I have shown. See, if you are getting any question from here and there, from any revision worksheet, from any test paper while solving question from another book, please let me know. We can do it over here also. Okay. So we have started the discussion of Heron's formula, and we were discussing why we need this formula. Then later on we got to know that yes, we need this formula because every time height will not be given. Till now, purposefully height used to be given for finding the area, or maybe the condition used to be given so that we can find the height. But it can be the scenario that we don't know the height and it's not even possible to find the height. Then this formula, the Heron's formula, will be the rescue. Okay, we can use this formula to find the area of any triangle. And don't think that new formula will give the new answer. No, whatever area you can find by using the older formula, same area we will be getting by using the new formula. Formula can be different, but the answer will be same if we are talking about the same triangle. Okay, so let's solve few more questions from Heron's formula. Just a second. Let's do. We have not done this question, right? The sides of a triangular plot are in ratio. We have not done this question, right?
No,
Have we done?
no, no.
So we are having a triangle. Okay. Area we need to find in this chapter in all the questions. Every time we will be finding the area. Whatever information will be given, it will always ask you to find the area. And the same formula will be using every time. So the sides of a triangular plot are in ratio 3 is to 5 is to 7. And its perimeter is given as a 300 meter. Perimeter must be very clear to each one of you. What does it mean? Okay. So perimeter of the triangle is given as a 300 meter. Now ratio between the sides are given. We have to find the area. I'm coming to each one of you to ask what can be the approach. Okay. So yes, we can start from Arhan because he is more comfortable with this chapter. So yes, Arhan, how to find the area?
Now we can take the ratio as 3x, 5x, and 7x and add them to get the perimeter 300 meter, and then we can find the value of x and multiply it by 3x, 5x, and 7x. Then we get the sides, and the semi-perimeter will be 150 meter, and we can find the area using Heron's formula.
Yeah, perfect. Anyone else who want to say what can be the approach? Who is completely getting it? Anyone else? Afreen, Bharti, you was not there in last class, right?
No.
Yesterday only I have started this chapter, Heron's formula. I need to give you the brief, like what we have. We have had a detailed discussion of the formula and the starting part. Okay, let me check what can I do. So yeah, just be here and try to just hear only with the help of the question, whatever will come, I'll try to clear it. And yeah, that day you have given the test. I was discussing with all the students that how what is the performance. So yes, let me let me check. Yes, Bharti, I have checked your that test I have taken in the before the last class. So in that test, I have checked your response. Everything is perfect over here. Okay, nothing we need to discuss. And you have attempted all the questions, right, Bharti?
Yes.
Yes. Because I am having the notebook where I have just written all the comment that Afrin's all response is correct. Bharti's response, everything is fine. So yeah. Okay, let's start the discussion. Yes, whatever Arhan said, that yeah, we need to, if whenever we are having this type of ratio anywhere, okay, what we will do, we will take, whenever you have to split the ratio, you will be taking the first, like one of the side is 3x, another side is 5x. If you don't want to take x, you can take y, you can take z, but we are bound to multiply a variable with all of them, because it's not a numbers, okay, it's a ratio. It is not given in the question that we are having a triangle where one of the side is 3 centimeter, another side is 5 centimeter, another side is 7 centimeter. This way the information is not given. The information is given in the ratio form, so we have to multiply a variable, same variable, with all of them. You are supposed to do the same thing whenever you will be having ratio in any of the question. Okay, so the side of a triangular plot are in ratio, this one, its perimeter is 300 meter. If you understand what exactly is the meaning of perimeter, then you can say that the summation between 3x plus 5x plus 7x, that is given over here as a 300 meter. Okay, and from here we can find 3 plus 5 8, 8 plus 7 15x is equals to 300. From here easily we are able to find the x value, that is 300 by 15. That means please reduce it and tell me what are we going to get.
20. 20 meter.
20. Okay. Meter is given, 300 meter is there, so I am saying that x is 20 meter. Now since we got x as a 20 meter, we can say this is the solution step. Okay, we can say that a, usually Bharti, we represent the side of any triangle in this chapter by using ABC. Okay, side of triangle, okay, we represent by the alphabet, small a, small b, small c. You can take any one of the side as a, another side as a b, and the third side as a c. Okay, so a is 3x, b is 5x, and c is 7x. Okay, now 3x, that means 3 into 20, so basically the length of the side is 60 meter. The length of the side is 5 into 20, that is 100 meter. And the length of the side is 7 into 10, 7 into 20, that means 140 meter. We got separately the length of each side. Now in this chapter, Bharti, in Heron's formula, this chapter is very simple. Just I will give you a brief. Let me let me analyze which day I can give you the brief. Today I am not able to give. So Heron's formula, here we are having just a formula given by the mathematician Heron's for finding the area of the triangle. Okay, but you will say that you already know that area of the triangle we can find by using this formula, like base into height. So let me tell you, this is a new formula we are having. That formula and this formula, both the formula we are having for finding the area. Heron's formula we will be using when we know all the three sides of a triangle, and that formula, the older formula, we will use when we know the height and base of the triangle, and both the formula will give the same answer. Okay, so here we know all the three sides, so of course we are going to use Heron's formula, and the Heron's formula looks like this: s minus a, s minus b, s minus c. Now Bharti, you understand what is a, what is b, what is c. These are just the length of the side, but what is s? S is the semi-perimeter. Formula for S is A plus B plus C by 2. Okay, for S the formula is A plus B plus C over 2. Okay, we know what is A, we know what is B, we know what is C. Either you can add it and then you can divide by 2, or you already know the perimeter. You don't even have to add them all. You know the added version, added format. You know that is 300 meter. Perimeter is 300 means A plus B plus C is 300. We know that. Okay, so directly we can use A plus B plus C. If you will add them all, you will be getting 300. If you will use the data directly, perfect, you are saving your time. Okay, 300 by 2, that means 150 meter is the S value. For S there is a formula A plus B plus C by 2, and we call it semi perimeter. Check it, it is just the half of the perimeter. Circle, when we do half of the circle, it's called semicircle. When we will do half of the perimeter, it's called semi-perimeter. So S is nothing but just a semi-perimeter. Okay, formula for S will be A plus B plus C by 2. We know S, we know ABC. Please put the value and find it. Yes, rest of this too, everyone. Bharti, you also try solving this square root part. We will be discussing it, but at first you try it. A value is 60, B value is 100, and C value is 140. Please do it, no? Yes, everyone, please do it.
Done, ma'am.
What you got?
Ma'am, 1500 into root 3 meters square.
Okay, Afrin has also got the same. So yeah, let me explain to Bharti. Yes, I am expecting answer from Sarah and from who else is there? Hanan. Yeah, please let me know what you have got. So yes, let me show you Bharti what we will be doing over here. 150. Now 150 minus 60 is 90. 150 minus 100 is 50, and 150 minus 140 is 10. To solve this one and to take it out from the root sign, please don't do the multiplication, because when you will multiply this so many numbers, it will be huge number. Okay, please don't do the multiplication. Basically we want to take it out from the root sign. So basically what we have to do, we have to do the factorization. That's what you have learned in the previous class. Then how to solve the square roots. Okay, after doing the factorization, so we will be better, rather than doing the multiplication, start searching that which numbers are in pair. So 50 we can write as a 5 into 10. Why we are writing it as a 5 into 10? Why not 5 into 5 into 2? Yes, you can write it that way also. Why I am writing 5 into 10? Because 110 I can see over here, and I want to make a pair. Okay, 10 is in pair. We can take it out from the root sign directly. Whatever way you are comfortable, please do it. But basically we want to take it out from the root sign as much, like as many number as possible. 150 into 90 we are having. 150 can be taken as 150 can be taken as 3, okay, into 5, 15 into 10. 90 can be taken as 10 into 9. 9 we can take directly, or 3 into 3 also you can take. So whatever if you want to break all of them, please break it. Okay. So from here, one more pair we are getting. So 110, another 10 will come out from the root sign. 1 3 is in pair, 1 3 will also come out. And what else? 1 5 also. Check it. 1 5, another 5. So 5 is also in pair. Okay. Now what else? Only root 3 got stuck inside the root. Let's do the multiplication. We'll be having 10 into 10, 100. 5 into 3, 15. 15 into 100, 1500. See, the solution is that simple. We just have to be very careful and we have to take out the number. Yes. Yes, 1500 root 3. And since we have found the area, we will be using the unit properly. Otherwise, you will end up losing 1 marks. Square meter is the unit for finding the area. Getting it?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, miss.
It's that simple, Bharti. I will just give you introduction, the starting part. Let me today sit and decide when I go. A triangular path. Before this one, let me give you one question so that everyone can solve it first. Yes, please do it now. Yes, Bharti, you will also be able to do. One of the side given over here, another side is given over here, but third side is not given. Third side is missing over. But this perimeter will help you, Bharti, for finding the third side. Once you will be done with finding all the side, you will be having ABC in hand. Then you can go ahead, you can use the Heron's formula for finding the area. Rest of the student, you already know how to find the area from here, right? Please find it.
Yes, ma'am. Done, ma'am. Done, ma'am.
Yes, Arhan, you have already done, right? And yeah, Afrin.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, both are getting the same answer. Let's do it quick, quick, quick. So yes, A plus B plus C. Perimeter means A plus B plus C. We know that. Okay, we are very clear with the concept of perimeter. So A plus B plus C is given over here as 42. A, B we know. What is C? Can you please tell me? Or Han or maybe Afi?
14.
We got C from here as a 14 centimeter. Now we can use Heron's formula for finding the area, that is under root SVC, as we can find directly from this 42. S is nothing but semi-perimeter. Perimeter we know. If we will divide it by 2, we'll be getting S. 2 times 4, 2, 1 times 2. Okay, S minus A is 18. I said to you, again I'm repeating, A, B, C. You can take any one of the side as A, another side as a B, another side as a C. So 21 minus 10 and 21 minus the third side 40. From here you will be getting the area. So from here you will be getting 21, 21 minus 18, 18, 19, 20, 21, 3. 21 minus 10, that means 11. And 21 minus 14, that means 6 here and 1 there, 7. Now, I said to you, please don't do the multiplication. Rather try splitting it 4. So 21, you can write it as a 7 into 3. 3 you can write as it is. 11 will be as it is. 7 will be as it is. 7 and 7 is in pair. 1 7 will come out. 3 is in pair. 1 3 will come out. And 11 got stuck inside the root sign. This square centimeter is the area. Is it clear, Bharti?
Yes, miss.
And isosceles triangle has perimeter 30 centimeter and each of the equal side is 12 centimeter. Find the area of the triangle. Please do it now.
Done, ma'am.
What you got, Arhan?
9 into root 15 square centimeter.
See, here only the catch is it's an equilateral triangle. Okay, if it's an equilateral triangle, of course, two side will be same. Okay, each of the equal side is given as a 12. So basically, it looks like one side is given, but we are having two sides, 12, 12. The third side is still we can find by using the perimeter formula. And then you can find the area again. Bharti, you must be getting, right?
Yes, miss.
Okay, I'm scrolling down because I want to discuss this question. Read it, whatever I have written so far. a traffic signal board indicating school ahead. Have you seen this type of board? Have you seen any time this type of board? Must have seen, right? At the corner
Yes.
of the sometime. Okay, school ahead.